Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of my game Devlog. In this episode, we will try and complete our quest system. Like all the types of quests that we had discussed in the previous video, I will make sure that they. I'm not sure if it's the right thing to say, make sure, but I will try my best to implement everything related to quest system in this video. So a bit of a recap. I was able to add one or two more dialogues for different quests to introduce two new characters, a lady and a mayor, and added maybe two more quests on top of it. So now we have like I guess all the required quests that we might need for a quest system in order to test it completely. So yeah, I guess let's start. Let's just okay, so we left off with this is so let's just implement the prerequisite logic first. So we have a mayor. Where are you, mayor? Mayor, and this mayor has a quest called getting shop license, right? So need town, no, like an old man. So I have just passed these values over here and just go back to writer and check if do I need a reference to every single NPC related to. We have current era, right? Do we have, yeah, I guess customers. How about I add I'm not sure if I'm going to use this because I think it's much better to use a list of NPCs. Like total NPCs. And let's use this over here. So whenever we complete a quest, on complete quest, we need to check something. Private void check if prerequisite and we can loop through every single in current error dot total NPCs. be NPC and so if I use this then NPC dot be request not so do we have an index for or we don't actually have an index? How about I do something like private int current quest index equal to 0 public void get quest should be teacher and return so if um I'm not sure if I want to add an NPC manager because I don't want my NPC to my NPC state to get changed inside of the quest system. But maybe it's also a part of our quest system because it is sort of dependent on it because if we need to introduce a character after a certain quest is completed, then maybe the quest system should or maybe the quest system should ask an NPC manager to introduce the new character. I'm not sure. So let's just if completed or contains yes NPC we do something like a tool and tool can give quests. And it should be true. Else false, and it should just break the loop. But again, let's just, if it's like it should be true, because if we do not have any character intro prerequisites, so if we don't have any prerequisites, then we and if we set this to false, then it will just return false, and it will tell us that the prerequisites were not met, although that was not the case. So let's just make this true. And I think I don't actually need this. I just have to do this, something like this, and add a break, and just and I guess this is it. Should this be inside of our quest system? Shouldn't this be inside of our NPC logic? Where are you? Okay, this is NPC logic. Okay, if it's true, sorry, it's not true, then just do something like. If it's true, then add that quest and change. Let's test this out. Let's see if it works. Open up our canvas, go on man, and okay, let's hit play. So I guess this is working. So did not add any set to quest available. Should be set to various quest available. Quest is available if I think I need an action. Because I'm thinking if what if when I add this check over here, like check if prerequisites are met, and it returns false and we return false, right? So this won't work and there won't be a quest available for us. But what if our prerequisite requirements are met, right? So what then? It should be able to change all the states, right? But we don't actually have a reference to our NPC logic in our quest system. Or so I am thinking if I need to add something over here, maybe subscribe an event, and whenever a on complete quest is called, all of the NPCs with the NPC logic script should call this check if NPC can give quest. So let's just I'm just going to refresh my memory of how we would be able to do that. I know that we can do that with either delegates or action, but let's just confirm this. So let's ask Gemini. Okay, Gemini, actually, let me just take a quick break and I'll be back in a moment. Thank you. And we are back. So let's just go through. I want to tell all my NPCs in a Unity C# project when to check if they can give a quest when the quest is complete. There are two classes. One is one is quest manager and the other one is NPC logic, which is attached to every NPC in a scene. this would be an event, right? And it would be an action. And subscribing NPCs to the event, and this is what I was talking about. Okay, so let's just, why should it be static event? So, we do have a reference to a quest manager, so we actually don't need to make it static. So let's just copy this and paste it over here. This and something like this is not correct. The NPC logic script handles the quest system should tell all the NPCs to check if they can give a quest when on complete quest is and not the other way. Let's say if Gemini would be able to was on quest complete. Oh, sorry. It was doing the right thing actually. So yeah, so we need something like this, and on quest complete we just call on quest. Do we actually need this? I'm not sure. Yep. Okay, so back to our NPC logic, we need to now add on enable, disable. So we actually need to subscribe this over here, and just say first system dot plus completed. We can just call initialize NPC once again. Initialize NPC, and we need to unsubscribe it on whenever on disable is called. So now when let's just something like this. Okay. So let's check this real quick. If with the current logic, our mayor should be able to give us a quest once we complete this quest for the old man. So this is not working. Why? Is happening? Oh, so it's just it was pretty basic. We need to find it over here. Because of the Unity lifecycle, it was not. The reference was passed later on, so this would be null before start. So let me just verify this. Unity lifecycle methods. Awake on enable and then start. So this is what is happening. Anyways, so let's just start this again. Why is it not showing the dialogue? Anyways, let me just check if something is wrong. We check the state of our NPC, the old man, it's quest complete. But when I click over here, let me just check the states when I click. So the old man says that he has given us a quest. Okay. Should we? Let me think for a moment. I need to debug this. Why is it not working? So what if is it because the NPC logic is not quest given? It shouldn't be quest given, it should be quest available. Let's see. If the quest is available, let's go to on NPC. If show available quest given state, like it's the correct thing. Quest state available. Reset dialog index. Available quest dot add, and let me just play this and see if it's quest given. Okay, now how about if I click on the quest and old man, the quest state is complete. Why? Where is quest? Calling this. Should be true, right? If this contains, let me think. Get complete quests. It's empty, right? Because can give quest is false. This NPC logic, right? I think this might be it. And let's see, can give this. If I had, yeah. So this is unchecked. Click on here. One click. Okay, let's just try run it. If I don't have any character intro, right? So it should be 0. So it shouldn't be coming over here. So the can give quest should always be true. Or is actually going through this, right? So this is not the issue. I guess this is not the issue over here. Let me just verify this. If I add any something like patent shop license, this is old man, right? Yep. This was it. Let's just okay. So the prerequisite is not doing anything. So let's go back to our quest and maybe the old man and remove this. Let's play again. Click here. Hello there, young one. Okay. Don't have the record. Okay, so this was it. I was trying to complete this Me Town Mayor first. Thank you. let's check available quests. Meet town mayor, getting shop license, and an old man. This is complete, right? So we don't actually need this an ornament. Is it? So it was changed back to available. So where am I resetting this? Quest, reset quest. Yeah, I think that this should not be done. But for debug, we need this, right? We have references to all our quests. Let's just change this manually. Available, that lady. No, this is not available to us right now. Yes, okay. Is active. Why is this adding an old man to available quest? Are we removing this from our available quest array list? This lady. Okay, let's just create another NPC lady and just keep it empty. You don't give any lady. You don't have any quests. So let's just pass it over here and the old man, and just change this to okay, it's available. Let's test this out one more time. Okay, so in our quest system we have available quest only one, right? So this went to accepted quests, and when we add an item and complete, so now we don't have an old man, right? So I guess as I was passing the same NPC values to two characters, both were conflicting with each other. So meet town mayor. So now the meet town mayor was added to old man, right? What's the state of the old man? Normal. Let's say idle. So when it went to idle, like this. is the current quest index is 1, and it should be the mayor one, right? So it actually added the meat town here over here, but it is not showing up over here. And why is that? What is the state of our old man? It's idle. So if it's idle, it is idle. Let's just call some debug.log like this, and although the old man is idle, okay, what if I click on the old man now? Okay, so if where am I changing old man state to idle? Let's see. Idle set active calls. If I'm required, PC logic dot npc dot quest and npc logic dot current get state is equal to villain, maybe lock. Okay, let's just not do this over here. This is a word. if I change this to old and return true. Let's go back and change this to an if statement. And what we can do is we can call initialize NPC. Doing this, it will check. Just this is current quest. Actually, not sure what is the current state of our quest. Just call this add item, finish the state. You want it, right? But this mayor state should not be set to quest giving before we complete the meet town mayor quest, right? So let's just pause this over here. And we will play with this. Cutting short voices should have prerequisite quest off meet town mayor. We have to change this back. Let's see. I'm not sure if I have handled the prerequisite quest as of yet, but let's start our game and see if we run into any exception zone. Let's add an item, complete the quest. Okay, we actually did not handle the prerequisite. Well, I've come up with another scenario that what if both of these characters can give us a quest, right? But when we accept a quest from the old man and which requires us to meet this character over here, but his state is also set to a quest giving state, right? So what we can actually do is, if we have current quest set to the quest that the old man gave us, and it requires us to go to this mayor, so we can just hide this state and just make the mayor idle. So when the this quest is complete, mayor can give us um, the same quest again. Well, but I think I can just implement this at a later time. So let's just complete this for now. So this state should not be true. So we need to actually check if there are any prerequisite quests. Let's go back to NPC logic. And after this, we need another for loop of actually this should be handled over here after our current quest is set. If current quest lecture quest, if the quest state is not equal to complete, we can just call return. Let's see if this actually works. So, let me just change the state of our quest to available. Hit play. Here you go. And we actually don't see mayor giving us a quest, which is the correct behavior. So let's click here and are there any in progress dialogues for this? The town mayor. Did you find our mayor? So this is not working. So let me just click on mayor and see if. Hey there, welcome to our humble town. I'm town mayor. You can ask me anything. So this is Okay, so the our quest is not getting completed. Uh, so if I go back to this and NPC logic on click, how about I just complete just complete the quest from here. It should be current quest. Let's go back to NPC logic and see quest.check if I am required. We actually have this reference to the quest, but we actually need to find the NPC. I need to add another action. Find person quest. Let me just confirm it. Two. Okay, it's available. Oh, we actually did not invoke our event quest system. And person. It was not happening. Let me just reset all the values. Try again. This is being called multiple times this way. Inside find person first. Yeah, this is being called multiple times. I guess I should make another function. Um, Call initialize and किसी को follow here. Down here should be available. Where is my quest system? That's why. Complete. And it invokes it again right over here. So I guess this should go back and test this once again. Time. Is our old man not giving us the quest? If I click maybe this might be the issue. Actually, no, because he was idle, right? If I hit play again and just go through this quest, I thought maybe what if I click over here, the meet town near quest would be added again. There is, so let me just go through this once again. On quest complete, this would be invoked, and this would call initialize NPC, right? This would maybe it is actually doing quest available, and then so let me just verify this. This should be set to quest available for a brief moment. Quest given, right? And after some, yeah, so this is getting invoked, but due to this, so what if I create another bool? Waiting for quest timer, let's say false, and just do something like timer true, and then changing this back to false, right? And on invoke, like if instead of doing this, we can do private void on quest completed, and doing something like this and this, and calling a coroutine, maybe wait for timer to finish. I need to refactor this real quick because this would haunt me while wait for quest timer is true. We need to yield for not for the end of frame, wait for seconds. This should be 0.25 maybe, and then call initialize NPC. Oh. Maybe Rider is trying to say that this method it will be called a lot of times, like That is why it is telling us that it's an inexpensive invocation. Let's read this. This is good, but do we have only one? This is perfect. I hope that this would complete our logic, but again, this is not completing our logic. Okay, when I click over here, what happens is on and initialize NPC fires up, but actually we do not need to call on NPC collect, because we are changing the state, right? So what, can we just change the state directly from like maybe on quest complete, something like this? So there is an exception, and it says that stack trace quest complete if current quest. The current quest, right? So what is wrong? Maybe lady does not have a lady. I just need you to why is our quest not getting complete? It's taking me a lot of time to debug this. So let's just do this and wait. If I click over here, so on quest complete, let's see. On quest given, oh, actually, So let's just call something like is a catch, right? Oh, sorry. This should be available. So it came here. So I need to this. This. Now let's see if it's been way past 1 hour mark. So let's just quickly do this. Available. It's here. It should be available. Well, this should be a locked state, but well, let's go through this. Again, this is becoming an issue. Calling. Wasn't a record items quest? Was it? Find a person quest. So are we changing this to so yeah, so what is your current quest? Old man, your current quest is the town mayor. let me add a breakpoint and then we can check all the values. Where should I add? Attach this to Unity. The quest type is an old man, which is correct. What if we continue? Resume program. Completed. Another quest. Down here. Let's step off. It returns. Yes. The board. This is the issue. The breakpoint. Which is it active? Oh, pause the state was. I'm not sure what is this. How does this exception pops up? But the sequence is not breaking now, right? Let's see. complete dialogue, and we haven't actually built a logic for this type. So maybe in the next video we can do this and check if why is this popping up. The current quest index is, oh yeah, so maybe we can just, I think I can fix this real quick. Over here, what we can do is, or maybe was this? If current quest index is greater than or equal to count, let's verify this and then we can end this video. Change these tiers back available. Exceptions. And hello there, how can I be of your assistance? I need to set up my ice cream shop. Can you help me with that? What is an ice cream? You can set up a shop and maybe explain the item you're selling at a visitor shop. Sounds good. Take this. And he actually gives us a reward. Should I implement this real quick? Or should I not? Let's see. In NPC logic, we have a new type, right? Complete a dialogue. Complete. If this returns true, then I guess it should be able to complete the quest. Let's reset these values real quick. So let's figure this out in the next video. It is actually completing our quest, but we have 2 of the license items in our inventory. It should not happen. We only require 1, and this is also a key item, so there should not be more than 1. So let's just do this in the next video. Okay, I hope that you guys like this video, and I hope that I find you in the next one.